Okay, at this point, you've completed your first series of lessons, and you've worked through the assignments that you were given for this first lesson on Intro to Theological Research and Information Literacy. I want to briefly mention a couple of things as you think through what you've learned and what you are doing in your next set of studies. Is that it's very important to be able to evaluate information. What you've noticed in already in your studies, whether it's on a personal level or here in seminary, is the vast amount of information that's out there. And if you don't have a way to evaluate that information, it'll be rather hard for you to determine what is effective information and useful, and what is simply to be discarded and set aside. So I encourage you strongly to work through the metrics that we give throughout this course to help you to evaluate effectively the information that you are using and to think critically about that which you read. As it relates to your research topic, a clearly focused research topic is important. If somebody were to ask you, what is your research question? Can you answer that? If you can't, you're not ready to start doing your research yet. A clearly thought through research question, a problem that you've spotted that hasn't been addressed, a concern that you see within the church that needs further attention, that which fires you up and gets you excited about research that somebody else may not be as interested in. These ideas will help drive you to a more clearly focused research topic. But if you don't have a clearly focused research topic, you'll tend to waste time tracking down sources that aren't useful, and you'll also find yourself getting frustrated with the vast amount of information that's there, because once you have a clearly thought through research topic, and you know what it is and you know what your research question is, then you're able to set aside certain books, pull in certain articles, reject other articles, because you're clear on what you're researching. Well, this finishes lesson 1, and do well on your assignments, and look forward to talking to you more about theological research.